Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KavuCreative. Today, I will be designing a Hexagon Harmony geometric logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the artboard tool in the toolbar. Check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section, then press OK. Change color using eyedropper tool. Select Polygon tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Right radius as 50 pixels and right sides as 6. Press OK. Hold Shift plus Alt keys and create a copy at the top side. Change color using eyedropper tool. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Create shape as I do. Now, select Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt key and remove the unwanted shape. Select Rotate tool from Toolbar. Hold Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Right angle as 60 degrees. Press Copy. Press Ctrl plus D 4 times. Change its color. Now, select all and go to Object menu. Select Expand. Press OK. Now go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Select Magic Wand tool from Toolbar. Select black color and press Delete key. Select all. Right-click and select Group. Now it looks fantastic. Thank you for watching. Should you find this video useful or have any inquiries, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.